Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Clubhouse account on your device. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, basically let us first download the Clubhouse application. So here you can see as I have already downloaded, so let me just open the Clubhouse, and then first of all this type of interface will work out, pop out. So now here what you need to do, just click on get your username option, and if you have an invitation code, just simply click on have an invite code, invite text. Here you can see this type of interface will pop up. So I don't have the invite code, so just click on get your username. Here you can see this is the option, simply tap here. So after tapping here, you have to enter your phone number. So let me just enter my phone number here. So here I have successfully entered my phone number, so just click on next. After clicking to the next, you will receive a code on the particular number which has been entered. So here you can see 7802. So this is one time password, and then just wait for some time, and here you can see what's your full name. So let me just enter my name here. Let me just go for sorry okay, and then click on next. So here pick a username. So let me just enter a username. Okay, 111. Okay, so make sure that you enter some numbers at the last of your name. Click on next. Now here we have received this for you, and will text you as soon as your account is ready. So here what you need to do, you have to do, that is, you have to ask someone to send you an invitation on your phone number. So let me just do that. Let me send my invitation from my other Clubhouse account here, and then let me just show you. So guys, here you can see I have successfully received the invitation code. This is my invitation code. So let me just click here. You have to click on the invitation code here, and then here you can see Clubhouse. Simply tap on Clubhouse, and then here, so now here you have to just enter your phone number. So let me just enter my phone number which I just entered now. So let me just enter it, and then click on next. Okay, now again you will receive a code, so simply wait for some time. You will receive a OTP code, so 4252. Click on next, and here you say welcome to Clubhouse, your small friend. So with this profile I have just invited myself, and click on setup. So first name, what's your first name? So let me just go for RNDOM, and random take. Okay, TEC. Okay, so let me just click next. RNDO, sorry, random TEC 111. Okay, it's up to you, whatever you want. And if you wanna update your profile, simply tap on profile, choose from the gallery, and then let me just go for these things just for some time. Click on next option, find people. So here what you need to do, here you can just select whatever you like here, and you can see here you just can select anything, your likes and dislikes. Just click on find people, allow it, looks good, click on looks good, and follow, and you can see here my account has been set up. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. The only thing is that you have to ask someone to send you an invitation code. So that's all. So thanks for watching.